Hi friends, this is Barbara and I am back for another Crockpot meal. And our meal today is going to be Crockpot Creamy Ranch Chicken. We're going to start off with 2 or 3 chicken breasts. I'm going to do 3. Let's just get our chicken breast in there. Perfect. Sometimes I like to cut mine up when they're a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we are going to mix together a can of chicken soup. Okay, Jesus, okay. Let me squish that over. All right, that'll work. Okay, we're going to do a can of chicken soup, friends. We're just going to get that right in there. We got to mix a mixture. Then we're going to get our pack of ranch dressing. We're going to put that in there. Give that a little mixy mix. And we'll mix it some more. Now go ahead and put your half a cup of milk in there. And we'll start mixing that right up. And as soon as we get finished mixing this, we're going to pour this over that chicken. And you don't have to put any other liquid, but because the chicken's going to make some of its own liquid, and then we're going to have this creamy ranch chicken mixture that'll be in there. And we just pour it over. I don't know why I threw that spoon in the sink. Okay. But thank God I got one right next to me. Oh, sorry, I just hit the camera and it's bouncing. I hope no one gets seasick. Okay, yeah, we just want that all over. Okay, friends. We're going to pop our lid on. Plug in your crock pot. Okay, so what you're going to do now is, excuse me, you could cook this on low 6 to 7 hours, or you could cook it on high 3 to 4. I think I'm going to do the high 3 to 4. And then when this is done, you could serve this over rice, pasta, or even mashed potatoes. I think I'm going to go with the mashed potatoes today. Okay, friends, I'm going to wait for this to get done, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to take my meat masher and just break that up. I really like mine in bigger chunks. That's why I'm using this tool rather than the meat shredder, which I have them both linked below. I just didn't want to pick the meat out of the pots. I don't know. Maybe I'm just lazy today. Those are nice chunks of meat. I think I'm going to keep it like that. Yeah, that looks really... Oh, here's another bigger piece. But that's good right there. All right, I'm going to get my potatoes ready. Okay, normally I dish it out from the crock pot, but my burner right there is hot. So I just feel uncomfortable having my crock pot right there like I normally do. But this is what it looks like when it is done. See, those are nice, decent chunks. But I am going to... So my potatoes, I'm going to let that cool off while I'm telling you this. I made instant potatoes, and I put garlic and onion powder in it, pepper in it, and like maybe 1/4 cup of sour cream. I put no salt in my potatoes because, you know, our food naturally has salt in it, so I just don't add more. And I'm going to serve that with some carrots. Let's take a taste on that. Oh, this is like a cozy meal. I like that. That tastes really good. Okay, friends, let me know what you think. And if you like the video, hey, give me a thumbs up, please. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep cooking, friends. I love you, friends.